Welcome to the TailorMate App tutorial video. In this video, we are going to learn how to deliver a single item from an order with multiple items. On Orders page, search for the order you want to deliver. Click on the order to go to Order Details. Click the item status icon shown next to the item. From the Order Status pop-up screen, select Delivered Status. Please note that if you have no more items in your order with non-delivered status, the order status will also be changed to Delivered Status and order will be moved to Delivered tab. Thank you for watching our tutorial video. If you have any questions about TailorMate app, please call us or WhatsApp on the number given here.